Welcome to Gyan laboratory. Today in this video tutorial I am going to show how to use DispatchGroup. DispatchGroup is an old method introduced in iOS 8. Most of developer knows how to use DispatchGroup, and some of the developer don't know the importance of DispatchGroups. Here in this tutorial I am going to show the simplest method by downloading 4 images from the server, and after completion of all 4 we're going to print a message, that successful message. Some of the developer, what they do, they put a flag, increment and decrement based on request and response. I'm going to use this in a different way. In dispatch there is a 2-3 methods, and I'm going to use enter and leave. It is like people enter in the room and people leave the room. If enter equal to leave, it will notify the message. So let's start. It's taking too much time over here. So before that, let initialize this dispatch. Okay. So initialize the dispatch. So let's create a method to download the image. Okay, so let's create a function, download image. URL. Okay, so let's print it. Data, response, and error. Okay, but let data equal to data, error equal to nil. If it is nil, then if it is not nil, then we will return it. Okay, so I have created the method to download the image from the URL. Okay, it's from here. So that there are total 4 image URLs. So I'm going to take 4 image view. align it in the center. Now let's give it name. MG1 IMG2 IMG3 and IMG4. Okay. Now let's do it. So here in dispatch group I am going to use two method, dispatch enter and dispatch leave. So total number of requests, when we fire total number request, we need to enter the dispatch at the same time. So total 4 requests means 4 dispatch enter. When response comes, there we will leave the dispatch. So if enter is equal to leave, it will notify us. So let make it notified. Successfully downloaded. Okay, so we have the method notify. Now let's make a request for image in array images. Let's call download image URL string. So what this will have to do, it will request 4 times, as there is a 4 image URL. So what we need to do, we need to enter it over here. It means that it will enter 4 times. Now when successful response come over here, then what we need to do, we need to leave the dispatch. Now when it enter, it will leave. If both are equal, then it will notify us. Okay, let's check it out. Print downloaded complete. So let's check whether it work or not. Here important is dispatch enter and dispatch leave. If you forget to leave the dispatch, then it will not notify. So better take care of these two. Okay, you can see the 4th time the download start and only 3 images just completed. So only, okay, you can see 4th one appear. So dispatch enter is equal to dispatch leave. If both are same, then it notify us over here. Okay, now let's show the images inside the image view. So what I'm going to do here is, let's create an array image view, UI image view, an array. Okay, array image equal to img1, img2, img3, img4. Okay, let's create an index because I want to pass the image view inside. Image view, UI image view. plus 1. Okay, now let's display image dot main dot asynchronous. So we are passing the image inside the method. So image view dot image UI image. So we are getting a data. Okay. Now let's see. So download start, download completed. Only 3 images that completed. Now 4th one is remaining. Okay, done. You can see the successful message comes at the end of completion of 4 images. It's very easy method. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe this channel, and I will come up with more interesting videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.